Hello, hello. Testing, testing ngayon. Walang hindi na-record yung audio ng video na to. Ayoko namang itapon, sayang yung pag-record. But, just gonna do commentary about it. And, let's see this thing. So we have a Xiaomi bag here. What's inside? Then it's a Xiaomi wireless mouse. It's the Mi Silent Edition. And it's silent cause hindi daw rinig or audible yung pag-click. Or at least, like, minimal yung noise niya. And it's also a dual mode mouse, which means it can be connected sa Bluetooth or sa wireless dongle niya, which is via USB. So, it's good because I can use it on my laptop pati sa PC. And then pag magsi-switch, mabilis na. It doesn't need anything else. And then look at me struggle opening the box. Wala kasi akong mga tools pang open ng box. Like a cutter or something sensible. So, yeah, struggle. So here we have the Xiaomi mouse. It's small, it's sleek, it's light. It's not comfortable to hold. So we also have manuals here, yung mga hindi naman binabasang manual, so sayang lang sa papel. Might as well not include that. And then dito nag-struggle akong buksan tong leching cover na to eh. Hindi ko alam kung pa-clockwise o pa-counterclockwise. Wala kasing sign, so ayan, the ultimate solution, itak. Anyway, ayan yung niya, yung dongle, the wireless receiver. You plug it in and then makakonect na siya wirelessly kung walang Bluetooth yung PC mo or laptop. And then as you can see, may dalawang slot siya for AAA battery na hindi included. Nakakainis. So it's me. This is me looking for battery. And then I tried to steal it from Kyle's mouse, which is a Logitech mouse na twice as much as this mouse. I'm trying to steal it, but the disappointment, isa lang pala yung laman ng battery niya. I mean, isa lang yung tinatake niyang AAA, so I found one. And then ginamit ko yung sa battery sa remote. So, ayan na, nag-open na siya. Then I'm gonna connect it, but I'm struggling kung paano siya i-connect because nagmukha akong timang dito. Hindi ko alam kung paano i-on yung Bluetooth niya kasi usually you hold it lang for like 5 seconds. And then yan, nag-resort ako sa quote-unquote useless manual kung paano siya and then yun nga, i-hold daw for 5 seconds, which I was doing na kanina, but it did not work, but now it works. As you can see, yan na, lumabas siya sa laptop, ready to use. But the problem is, may mouse acceleration kasi yung Mac OS na built-in. Ewan ko kung bakit nila nilalagay yun. Basta ang weird niyang gamitin yung mga Bluetooth mouse, which is pag dinrag mo, parang hindi accurate yung feel. So, you have to exert more force. Pag naman nag-exert ka ng more force, bigla naman siyang aarangkada yung cursor. So, it's tiring to control. Unlike when you connect it sa Windows na PC or laptop, wala kang may encounter na ganong problem. Like, kung gaano ka kabilis gumalaw or kung gaano mo, I mean, yung tansya mo agad siya kung saan siya pupunta. So, it's annoying. But it's not the mouse's problem, it's my problem. So, this is me struggling to position the camera. Such lame attempt. I think ito na yung conclusion ng video ko. Yeah, this is it. I don't know kung ano yung mga pinagsasabi ko dito, but I think the price is $699. It's available in all Xiaomi store. Meron siyang isa pang version na $899, but it's smaller and thinner. Para siyang yung kaninang Logitech mouse, pero mas thinner, which makes it uncomfortable to use. So I did not get that. I got this instead. So, ayun lang. If you want mouse, I recommend this one. Go get it. Bye.